Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Audi A4 Avant 35 Technik. This car comes with a 2-litre petrol engine and the S-tronic automatic gearbox, producing 148 brake horsepower while still returning up to 41 miles per gallon. The engine is Euro 6 compliant, and this is a one-owner vehicle with service history from Audi and has covered just over 33,000 miles. This particular colour is called Brilliant Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The front seats are heated, and a few other features worth mentioning. You've got the nice large touch screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, Bluetooth and satellite navigation. And you also have the gorgeous clocks, which are digital there as well. A few other features I can mention. You've got the climate control just below the multimedia screen there, the multifunction steering wheel, and the car also has automatic headlights and wipers, as well as folding door mirrors. Rear passengers got good access there into the back, large amount of leg room, and they also have their own digital control there for the temperatures in the back as well. And as you open the tailgate, which is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And underneath the boot floor, you've got a little bit of extra storage there as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, and also the 17-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.